Greetings to you all. Myself, Dr. A.Jennifer Jyoti Mary. I'm going to discuss about Introduction to Database Management System. In this video, we are going to learn about a database management system, flat file, difference between flat file and relational data, and finally, the database component systems. Data. What is the data? Data is nothing but it is a raw fact or material and statistics which are processed for further analysis and references. The data can be in the form of text, numbers, images, audio, or video. For example, 5 is a number and Ravi is a text. Database management system. Here, it is nothing but organized collection of information which have a structure. So structure in terms of tables, table can have two components. Nothing but a row is referred as record and the column referred as a field. These data are stored in a database such as SQL, MongoDB, Oracle. What is the definition of database management system? Database management system is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to access those data. The softwares such as Excel, Access are an example. The goal of a DBMS is to provide a way to store and retrieve the database informations then and there and in both convenient and efficient way. What is a flat file? Flat file is nothing but it is a type of a database and which stores the data in a single table. Here it comes as a plain text form. Each and every line holds only one record. The data can be separated by the delimiters, it's such as tabs and commas. Table values are sorted based on the column values. Here is an example, HTML documents. For some other examples, word processor, spreadsheet applications. What are the difference between flat file and relational database? A flat file can store a single table, whereas a relational stores multiple tables. Flat file is best for less amount of data, whereas relational can be used for medium as well as large data. Here in flat file, we do not create any relationship between tables, but for relational table database, a relationship can be created between the tables. Flat file example is considered as MS Excel and relational database example is Oracle. What are the four components of database system? First comes a data and the second component is software and third hardware, finally users. What is the data? As we know, data is a raw fact which are divided into more than one databases. Each database is a repository or storage of data. Here it is integrated and shared. Integrated in terms of unification and the elimination of redundancy in the data. Whereas in terms of sharing, individual data items are shared among users. The users can share the data sequentially as well as concurrently. The sharing comes as a multi-user system. The second component is software. Software database management system lies between a physical database and users. Here, user requests are handled by the database systems. The third component is hardware. Hardware in terms of a physical storage, where it comes with the secondary storage volumes such as disks, which are resides in the database. At last, the component is users. Here, the user can interact in a different way with the database in terms of storing and retrieving the informations. There are three kinds of users. First, application programmer. Second type, end users. And the third type, database administrators. Application programmer. Who are all called application programmers? One who writes the application program is termed as application programmer. Here they are made according to the user requirements. They are performing, retrieving, creating a new information and changing the existing informations. And the programming languages are written in COBOL or programming language, Java and fourth generation languages. Second type of users are end users. They are accessing database at the terminal end. They don't have a knowledge about a database design and working, whereas they are called as a second class of users and their motto is to get the task done. Here again, the end users are divided into two types, casual user and navy user. One who know or have a great knowledge of a query language are considered as a casual user. They are accessing the data by entering the queries from the terminal end and they do not write programs. Whereas it's opposite of Navy users, those who don't have any knowledge about the DB, but they are using the developed application and get the desired results. The last component user is database administrator. A single person or a group of person can be responsible for this and everything related to the database. They are making policies, strategies, and provides technical supports and have a control of both data and the programs that access those data. And the person who has such control called as a database administrators. So with this, I'll stop here and we'll discuss next in the session. Thank you.